Now we are in Tamil Nadu, which has strongly objected to the national education policy, three-language formula, believes that this is an imposition of Hindi through the back door. You, on the other hand, your father and you have both supported the idea of three languages and allowing Hindi to be taught in schools. Why? There is a fear, you don't have the fear that Hindi will be imposed through the back door?
Let's take a step back and let's talk about language, right? If you look at it, when I met the Honorable Minister in Delhi, Dharmendra Pradhan ji, he made it very clear that we should look at medium of instruction in Telugu, not even English. He said Telugu mein karna hai. Mother tongue is very, very important. But as an Indian, I know the importance of learning Hindi. I'm a product of three languages, English, Telugu and Hindi. My son is also a product of three languages today. And in Andhra, it's not just about three. Why shouldn't our kids learn 5 languages? Today, our kids are learning German, Japanese, so that they can actually go work in those countries. Where opportunities are there, I think we should learn a language. And with all fairness, NEP has said 3 languages. It has not said Hindi should be the third language.
So what would you tell the people of Tamil Nadu today? Because their government is fearing the idea that this is Hindi through the back door.
I think it's important that our citizens, learn whichever language they want. Give them the opportunity. So what is wrong?
Okay.
So no one is saying the third language has to be Hindi. No one has said that. There's no law in that effect.
But maybe the time has come where some of the North Indian states also start learning South Indian languages.
Why not? And there are billboards, there are directional boards in various North Indian states which are in South Indian languages. In Andhra Pradesh, the state board, we actually, medium of instruction in the borders, we have Oriya, we have Tamil, we have Kannada. It exists already. We're doing it.
Okay, so it should all happen organically without imposition is the way forward.
No, based on the local requirement. What do the kids want?
Okay.
Let's keep the kids as the center of our universe, not politics. And then talk about NEP, right?